All right, your favorite Bigfoot here, the Blizzard, the 35, 40, 50, 60, even got up to 79-mile-an-hour winds. That's over, but we're still supposed to get about a foot of snow today. Just a normal lake effect. It's still windy, but normal wind for us. 20 miles an hour, 30 gusts. But yeah, one place around here got 79-mile-an-hour winds. And near the lake, they officially declared it because of the winds, a stage 1 hurricane. Essentially, it was like a stage 1 hurricane. So, I'm going to show you the driveway because of the winds. No snow here. Essentially no snow. Now that the winds have died, it's starting to settle. But the end of the driveway, if I can get there, it's probably up to my chest from the drift and the plows. Yeah, looking at that, that's easily to my chest. Holy cow. And we're supposed to get a foot, possibly a foot today. So I gotta start cleaning up a little bit of this. Back with updates when I can.